tell people that it was a fair fight and see what the jury and judge thinks. Tell the world, Johnny. Tell them, Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp, man, I'm a victim too of domestic violence, and yes. It's a fair fight. And see how many people believe or side with you.
And what did you say in response when Miss Heard said, "Tell the world, Johnny. Tell them, Johnny Depp, Johnny Depp, a man, I'm a victim too of domestic violence"?
I said, yes, I am.
And Mr. Depp was trying to urinate in the foyer, wasn't he?
No.
Mr. Depp had his penis out of his pants, didn't he?
I think I would remember
Relevance.
seeing Mr. Depp's penis.
I'll allow. Next question.
And you were trying to get Mr. Depp out of the house, correct?
Correct, I was trying to get Mr. Depp out.
There's nothing wrong with wanting to spend time with your friends at a music festival after being abused by your husband.
If you are the Son of God, tell these stones to become bread. Jesus answered,
Bye, Felicia. Pressure. When the devil be trying.
She told me she didn't like hanging out in his house with his friends because it was boring and they were all old men playing guitars and it wasn't interesting to her.
What was the question again?
How many?
I have order in the court, or I will have you removed. Understood?
And that's your handwriting on the counter, right? You wrote.
I wrote it in my own handwriting, yes, sir.
Yesterday, you texted. I'm sorry. We've seen a lot of texts today.
It's all right. I did text someone yesterday. Does she?
Ms. Bredehoff, that is not accurate.
What is accurate?
You're incorrect. That is not correct.
You brought muffins, you said, from your husband, right? You gave those to Ms. Heard, correct?
May I clarify what occurred so that we can stop talking about the muffins?
After a string of flops and a ton of bad press, Johnny Depp's star power looks as wobbly as Jack Sparrow on a plane. Did I read that right?
You read that very, very well.
Mr. Depp, have you ever physically assaulted Miss Heard?
Never.
Have you ever sexually assaulted Miss Heard?
Never. Certainly not.
What have you lost as a result of Miss Heard making these allegations against you?
Nothing less than everything. When the allegations were made, when the allegations were rapidly circling the globe, telling people that I was a drunken, cocaine-fueled menace who beat women suddenly in my 50s, I will live with that for the rest of my life because of the allegations and because it was such a high-profile case. So I lost then No matter the outcome of this trial, I'll carry that for the rest of my days. It never had to be.